Hey everyone, welcome. If you've ever wanted to make your videos stand out with professional, eye-catching transitions and animated titles, without spending hours learning complex software, this tutorial is for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create those super smooth, irresistible liquid video transitions and animated titles, all using Canva Pro. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add some seriously dynamic flair to your content that'll wow your viewers and give your projects a polished, modern vibe. Alright, let's jump right in. First up, let's go to Canva. Just open your browser and head over to canva.com. If you haven't already created an account, don't worry, it only takes a minute to sign up and you'll want the pro version for the full set of animation features we'll use today. Once you're logged in, you're ready for the fun part. Now click on that purple Create a Design button up in the top right corner. This is where you get to decide what kind of project you're working on. For these types of video transitions and animated titles, I recommend choosing the presentation template. Presentations are great because they use the same 16:9 aspect ratio we usually see in YouTube videos, making your transitions easy to drop straight into your editing timeline later. So go ahead, select presentation, don't worry, you can always adjust the size if you need something a bit different. Next step, let's choose a wave template. So in the Canva search bar, type in wave and hit enter. You'll see a bunch of beautifully designed templates pop up, many with fun, flowing, liquid-like shapes. Pick one that you think matches the mood or color palette of your video. Don't stress too much about getting it perfect yet. Remember, you can customize almost every detail in Canva so you're not locked in. With your wave template open, let's take it up a notch by adding some wave elements. Look over at the left-hand menu and click on Elements. Then in the search bar, try typing wave or liquid. You'll see all sorts of graphic shapes and animations appear. Drag a few onto your slide, maybe one big liquid wave at the bottom or a couple of floating blobs overlapping each other for some extra depth. Position them however you like. The key here is to build some movement and energy into the frame, so don't be afraid to layer or play with colors. Now for the magic adding animation, this is where those static shapes come alive and start transforming into dynamic transitions. Click on any wave element you've added to select it. Once it's selected, look for the Animate button at the top of the screen. Give that a click and you'll see a whole menu of motion options. You might want to try the drift or rise animation for that smooth, liquid motion, but honestly, experiment a bit here. Most of these effects work great for transitions. You can preview how each animation looks. Just hover over the effect and you'll see it in action on your canvas. Adjust the speed and direction if needed to get that just right flow. Let's see what your transition looks like so far. Click the play button on top of Canva or select present to view your design in real time. Take a moment to watch how your waves move and your text animates in. It should look smooth, lively, and super engaging. If it's not quite right, that's totally normal. Just jump back in, tweak those animations, move your elements around, and make it your own. Sometimes it takes a few tries to get that perfect, seamless look. And just like that, you've designed your own liquid video transition and animated title. When you're happy with how it looks, download your animation as an MP4 video file, and you're ready to use it in your next editing project. It's that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to see more Canva hacks, just drop a comment below. I love hearing what you're working on. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy creating.